Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. And not in today's newspaper, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 12th, 2022, and it's actually today, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the additional of the yesterday's edition. We have three puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. I've just solved this in a minute ago at a letter Sudoku. We have a 2-star Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. But first, let me continue with the 2 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 4253. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, and for 2 stars Sudoku, 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 missing numbers are in this big square are the numbers 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 138, 138, 138. We have a 3 and an 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. Okay. Then 4. Then. How about the number? Let me see. 1. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. Huh? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about? Let me see. 6. Yeah. I'm thinking. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay, 7. 5. 2, 6. and a 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the third row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 and the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 and the 6 is missing, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this column, the last column for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So now let me see. 3, 3, 2, 2, 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 8. Hmm. 6. Yeah. 6 and a 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 167. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so third column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 9. Yeah. 7. Let me think. 6. Come on. It's taking too long. The 3. 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. 2, 8, 5. 2, 5, 8. 2, 8, 5. 2, 8. Well. Ay. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, only 3 places. Oh, wait. I need a 5 here. Oh, wait. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, and only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7, could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, yes. Alright, now 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. We have a pair. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 5, we have a pair. 1 and a 5. So the 6 is eliminated. And the 6 should be here. Okay, now I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. 2, 2. 5. Wait, 4. 1. 5. Difficult. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column. Only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6 earlier. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. We have a pair, 2 and the 9. Yeah. Yeah, 2 and the 9. Okay. 4 and the 5 and the 1. Yeah. Okay. 1. Yeah. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay, 9. Now, 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 3. Okay. So we have a pair, 3 and a 9 in this column, 3 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. as a pair, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right, now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, and this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku or a puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I've told you I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I have collected a lot of data for 5 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. We have here 364, 364, 152, 152, 297, 297. Here we have, I believe, one pair. The 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the 2. One pair. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.